So, if you have ceilings or walls that you're trying to clean that aren't necessarily the easiest to get to, this is another amazing use for the multi-tool because it pivots that little bit. And it's also so much lighter than holding the whole floor system over your head. So I just have the pole, the extendable pole that I would have used with the floor system, but I put the window combi base on with the multi-tool attached to it. So this is a brand new room. We just finished doing it, so it's not too dirty at the moment. But if I needed to clean, I would spray. It's probably easier to spray this fiber than it is to spray over your head because all that water is going to fall down on you. So then you can literally just clean your ceiling as you need to. But this is an A-frame house, if that means anything to you. So it has angled walls. So it literally just comes down right over that. So it just makes it so much easier. And then if I needed to flip up, look how easy that is. Like, you can't make it much easier than this for cleaning those areas. So just another use for the amazing multi-tool from ENJO. Hope you enjoy.